Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet flower granny square. And it does look like a 4-leaf clover if you use the green. You can also use many different colors. I used medium worsted yarn. On this one, I did use an H hook in the video, so it measures 3.5 inches. But I think a G hook would be best. If you want to make it a little bit bigger, you can always go up on your hook size. The pattern is down below. If this is going to be too fast, you can always place your video in slow motion. There are links down below for that and the magic circle if this is your first time doing the magic circle. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, to get started in the magic circle, going to chain 1. Then half double crochet in the circle. So yarn over, insert your hook, and then grab the yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. And then treble crochet next, so that's yarn over twice. And then insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and complete. And then repeat for another treble crochet. Now you're going to work a double treble crochet, yarn over 3 times, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and complete, and then repeat for another double treble crochet. Now treble crochet 2 more times. Now half double crochet. Now chain 1 and single crochet. Insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then chain 1 and half double crochet. And then treble crochet twice. And this is a repeat, and you will make 4 of those. Now double treble crochet 2 times, so yarn over 3 times. Now work 2 treble crochet. Now work a half double crochet, and then a single crochet, and then after this it will be a repeat for the next 2 petals. Okay, so chain 1, half double crochet. This is going to be a little faster. This is all repeat, 2 more petals, then work 2 treble crochet. I'm going to just finish the whole flower because there's just too many stitches and you may get lost if you're a beginner. Okay, another treble crochet. And then 2 double treble crochet, so yarn over 3 times for 2 more of the double treble. So yarn over 3 times again. And then 2 treble crochet after this. So just yarn over twice. And then half double crochet. And then chain 1 and single crochet. And then chain 1. And then half double crochet. And then treble crochet twice. And then double treble twice. Yarn over 3 times. So yarn over 3 times. And then 2 treble crochet. and then a half double crochet, and then a single crochet, and then slip stitch in the beginning stitch. Insert your hook, grab the yarn and pull it through, and then pull your magic circle closed as tightly as you can, but leave a circle in the center. Okay, slip stitch in between the previous double treble crochet, chain 3, and then double crochet in the circle, yarn over, insert your hook and drop the loop in the circle, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then chain 2, work another double crochet in that circle, drop the loop again, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, then chain 3, and then single crochet in between the previous double treble crochet, single crochet in between the double treble crochet, and then chain 3, and then repeat. It's just double crochet again, a chain 2, and double crochet. This is all repeat, and I'm going to just complete the whole round if you'd like to crochet along with me. Slip stitch in the beginning stitch, and then you're going to work one more round to complete, single crochet 2 times, and then work in the next chain 2, work 4 double crochet, a chain 2, and 4 double crochet. So work your chain 2 and then the 4 double crochet in the same space. Okay, work 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 single crochet in the next, chain 3 space, And then in the chain 2 space, it's a repeat of 4 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet, and then just repeat that all the way around until you get back to the beginning. Okay, work 2 single crochet in the last stitch, and then you're going to slip stitch in the beginning stitch and then fasten off, weave in all of your ends. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's finished. You can always make it bigger, like I said. The pattern is down below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.